What's up everyone, this is Ujjwal Shrivastava and welcome back to another video. This time I have a book that I completed in just 4 days I guess, and this is The Dark Half by Stephen King. So first thing first, the book is a psychological thriller with some elements of supernatural involved in it. The good thing about this book was it was really very well paced from the beginning, but in the middle part I guess there were some things that slowed down a little bit, and there were some questions that felt unanswered. There were some things that you will feel make no sense, but that is just to build a suspense for the climax and the third part. So apart from that, some things that I like about this book is that just like Carrie and Christine, Stephen King divided this book into 3 parts, which makes it really easy to follow because there are parts that end with a specific motive and that make you want to read the second part as soon as you finish the first one, and that is the best thing about it. Apart from it, I want to talk about the theme. So the theme is of dualism and how your other half, your dark side of personality, affects you. Now talking about this book, it is about Thad Beaumont, a writer who was suffering from writer's block, so he tried to create a pseudonym just like Stephen King had, called Richard Bachman. And so this writer Thad Beaumont created a other half of his personality known as George Stark, and George Stark is much of a darker person. He has a very gruesome and terrible kind of personality that doesn't, like, how to describe. He's more like a human who is good at describing inhuman things. Like, he is more of a criminal minded writer. He can write anything that is gore and gruesome, whereas Thad was just a normal writer. So when Thad suffered from a writer's block, he created George Stark. But there is a thing that links this book with a supernatural element, and that is that when Thad was 11, he had a brain tumor. But the doctor said it was not something like that because the brain tumor had a part of his twin. Like when he was in his mother's womb, Thad Beaumont engulfed his twin that was about to be born along with him. So in a way, Thad Beaumont killed his own twin, his dark half, when he was in his mother's womb. So he creates a pseudonym, he writes books under the name of George Stark, but then he has to kill George Stark in order to move on with his life because he was just a way, like George Stark was just a way he could escape his writer's block. And now he has killed and buried George Stark, but he has come back to life. He is chasing Thad Beaumont so that he could write another novel that George Stark had written. Like, just like it is something similar to Misery, like Annie Wilkes wanted Paul to write another Misery novel, and similarly George Stark wants Thad to write another Machine Way novel. And this is what story revolves around. George Stark is a killer, he kills people, he wants to reach out to Thad, he threatens his family, and there's a lot of things in the book. Just keep one thing in mind, that the sparrows are flying, and you need to read this book if you want to experience something really dark from Stephen King. Like, I felt that the special kind of Stephen King factor was not involved in this book, but it doesn't make it bad in any way because, like, it was more like a Richard Bachman novel. That's what I felt, but okay, it was good in whatever way you want to say it. Like, I would give it 3.8 stars out of 5. It was not my favorite, but it has a lot of potential. It is underrated and you should check this out. So until then, I would like to say one last thing. Before continuing my Dark Tower journey, I would pick up a Paulo Coelho novel or something different kind of novel, and then go back to Stephen King and make these book reviews because I want to take a little break and read others author so that I can appreciate Stephen King more than ever, because you have to crave for him. He writes in that way. So this was all. Thank you for watching. Peace out and be aware your dark half is lurking.